content creation bottleneck. Once you know what works, do I necessarily think that the idea is like to replace everything with AI content? No. I personally think, guys, prioritize taking your phone out and just talk for 60 seconds, for maybe 90 seconds, for just make it a habit to just yap into a camera or in front of your computer. It doesn't really matter. Why is this important? Is because you want to create an asset. Even the world is coming really fast where AI is going to be able to create all the content, but you do not want to live in that world. You do not want to be competing in that world because guess what? You're not going to beat AI. So what's your insurance policy? Your own brand. Right now, with every client that we're helping solve this problem, yes, we'll do AI, but we're also saying, hey, here's the hook, here's the script, here's the visual thing you need to replicate, here's the lead magnet that already has 1,000 comments on another post. Replicate everything, but still build a personal brand that is going to be worthy. It's going to be the thing that keeps on paying you for a lifetime. But if you go fully AI agentic, then people won't, even if people opt in and they engage with your content, they won't really feel like they're coming back to you first. They won't have any engagement and any investment with you. So you're just going to be AI slop maxing. You can get attention for free. It's going to be cheaper, but you won't have any value in your brand. Okay. Uh, and then the second piece is AI creatives. So I'll show you guys a few angles. There's faceless AI, and then there's, you can just clone yourself.